So you're an existing Salesforce customer and you're using the old classic user interface. Somebody's told you about the new Lightning experience, which is not really new. It's been around for a while and continuously has added value through the latest features that are released. That same person's told you that at some point you're going to be forced to use that new Lightning experience. And that's true, there will come a point. Don't wait until the last minute though. Don't consider it as a Lightning migration, a user interface migration. Consider it as a user experience transformation. This is an opportunity for you to reimagine the process, leveraging the functions and features that come with it. Think through that process very carefully and how you can get the best value out of what Salesforce has to offer in Lightning Experience. Really plan that out, look at each individual process and how they hang together, work with a partner, work with a consultant to help guide you through that and make those decisions so that you improve adoption, you increase that collaborative spirit that cloud is supposed to provide, and ultimately improve the insights that you use to make decisions. Think about that and good luck in your digital transformation journey.